A stunningly modern design, a breathtaking AMOLED display, unmatched powerhouse performance, and jaw-breaking camera capabilities, all packed into one device at an unbeatable price. Say hello to the all-new ultimate budget all-rounder, POCO M7 Pro. Hi everyone, Amit here. I am back once again with another review, and this time I have got the newly launched POCO M7 Pro in hand. I have been using it for more than 2 weeks now, and I am excited to share my thoughts with you all. The POCO M7 Pro comes packed with some incredible specs, featuring a robust MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display, a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, IP64 dust and water resistance, and a massive 5110 mAh battery with 45-watt turbocharging, just to name a few. There is a lot more to unpack, which I will be diving into throughout this video. So without further delay, let us get right into it. The design of the POCO M7 Pro 5G is truly a standout. The moment you pick it up, the phone radiates a premium vibe with no compromises on the quality of the material. Its build is solid and well crafted, showcasing meticulous attention to detail that makes the device feel both durable and sophisticated. The POCO M7 Pro not only looks good but feels great too. Weighing just 190 grams for the comfortable grip, the weight is well balanced, making it easy to hold. The design is practical with volume rockers and the power button on the right, while the bottom features the SIM tray, speaker grill, USB-C port and a microphone. On the top, you will find a secondary speaker, IR blaster and a noise cancelling mic. Additionally, it features an IP64 rating for dust and water resistance, providing extra durability. The POCO M7 Pro truly stands out with its expansive 6.67-inch display, offering a flagship caliber visual experience that is rare in its category. Boasting a 92% screen-to-body ratio, the device minimizes distractions with ultra-thin bezels, giving it a sleek and premium appearance while maximizing the viewing space. The POCO M7 Pro comes with a Widevine 11 certification, enabling smooth HD streaming on platforms like Netflix. It also features Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, offering superior durability and protection against scratches or drops. Additionally, the display boasts a 120Hz refresh rate and a 480Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth visuals and responsive interactions. The POCO M7 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, built on TSMC's flagship 6nm process. Paired with LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, it delivers a smooth and stable performance. Whether you are scrolling through social media, multitasking, launching apps, or switching between them, the experience is impressively fast and responsive. The chipset's high performance is further validated by impressive benchmark scores, showcasing its capability to deliver a top-tier user experience. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects, gaming. Over the past couple of weeks, I have spent plenty of time gaming on the POCO M7 Pro, and its performance has been remarkably efficient. Even with graphics-intensive games like Genshin Impact, BGMI, and Call of Duty Mobile, I experienced stable frame rates throughout my sessions, which is fantastic. I am highly impressed by the performance. The POCO M7 Pro boasts an impressive camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor with an 1.5 large aperture and a 2-megapixel depth camera. The large aperture excels in low-light scenarios, capturing vibrant and detailed photos even in the challenging lighting, making it ideal for night photography. With OIS on board, blurry shots are virtually eliminated, ensuring sharp and stable images even while in motion. The portrait shots are equally nice. Everything goes smoothly and perfectly, from contrast and exposure handling to depth estimation. The subject detection and the default background bokeh effect have come out as excellent in all the shots we have taken so far. On the front, the 20-megapixel selfie camera delivers accurate skin tones and enhanced beauty features, producing stunning selfies in any lighting condition. For video, the POCO M7 Pro supports up to 1080p at 30 fps with OIS, ensuring crisp, detailed and smooth footage from the main camera. The HyperOS 2 experience on the POCO M7 Pro is exceptional, especially with Android 15 running out of the box. The interface is incredibly fluid and smooth, ensuring seamless navigation for every task. For added security and ease of use, the device features a flagship-grade in-display fingerprint scanner that is both fast and accurate. And for those who prefer an alternative, Face Unlock is also available, providing another quick and reliable way to access your phone. The POCO M7 Pro truly shines with its massive 5110 mAh battery, delivering impressive endurance. Under moderate usage, it comfortably lasts a full day, and even during heavy use, I achieved around 6.3 hours of screen on time, a remarkable feat. The included 45-watt charger ensures rapid charging, taking the phone from 0 to 100% in just 90 minutes, making it both fast and efficient for daily use. The POCO M7 Pro offers an exceptional audio-visual experience thanks to its stereo speaker setup and Dolby Atmos support. If you are someone who loves watching movies or series on your phone, the sound quality will undoubtedly leave you impressed. The rich immersive audio adds a cinematic touch, elevating every scene and making the overall experience truly captivating. And now it's time to wrap up this video. Honestly, POCO M7 Pro has been doing just great as my daily driver. It has got an insanely powerful processor, a stunningly vivid display, an efficient camera, amazing gaming performance, and a superb battery life. It is the best deal out there to grab. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any further questions about this device, or if you have any feedback for my videos, do let me know in the comments. Till then, stay safe. I will see you guys in my next video.